Hi, and welcome back to another episode on How to Hack. So today we're discussing about installing modules on Wi-Fi Pineapple. So over here, this is the Wi-Fi Pineapple Nano. And of course, in the earlier tutorial, we actually went through on the Wi-Fi Pineapple Nano. And what happened was that we were able to do an installation and setup over the internet so that we can download those key modules. What we have here, of course, is the actual physical device of the Wi-Fi Pineapple Nano. And if you see very closely over here, we can actually get the SD card information. So directly from here, we can actually get the SD card running. And once you have the SD card, you can actually install it into the Wi-Fi Pineapple module. And once you have it installed, you can put in a lot of modules into Wi-Fi Pineapple. And from there, you can expand the wireless penetration testing and auditing of the environment and a lot of key features that can enrich the powerful module and platform of Wi-Fi Pineapple. So without further ado, let us get started on today's tutorial. So over here, I've started Wi-Fi Pineapple. So on the right side, you can see we're connected into the Pineapple Wi-Fi, and we can click load bulletins from Wi-Fi Pineapple. So what happened is that if you do not have internet connection, remember to go back to the previous tutorial on how you can install and set up your Wi-Fi Pineapple so they get internet access too. So moving forward, we are at the Wi-Fi Pineapple, and you can go under the modules tab and click on manage modules. So over here, I have already inserted a SD card into the Wi-Fi Pineapple, and we have installed a couple of modules. So over here, the modules have been installed into the SD card because it requires a lot of space for you to install all these additional modules, so that you can make your Wi-Fi Pineapple a lot smarter. So what we can do is we can click Get Modules from Wi-Fi Pineapple. So once you click on that, you will be able to see a lot more information, and you can update and you can install new information or new modules into your Wi-Fi Pineapple. So I can go ahead and select, for example, DAuth. So it's a de-authentication attacks of all devices connected to access points nearby by Whistlemaster, and we can click Install. And of course, we have the option to select either to SD card or to internal storage. And we highly recommend SD card because there is very limited internal storage on the Wi-Fi Pineapple Nano. That's why we install an SD card during our setup stage. So go ahead and click Install into the SD card. So it will take some time to manage and download the modules, and at the same time we can also update the modules so that you can use the latest features and capabilities to look out for more information by updating all this data. So we can update, for example, on AutoCap. So of course, AutoCap, if you've been reading and following the YouTube channel, you will know that we have done a few videos on AutoCap as well as BetterCap to do all these wireless attacks, and we can now install it directly into the Wi-Fi Pineapple. So we're going to go ahead and click Install to SD card to do the update. So we can do both installation as well as update. And once you have the data, you can actually go into, for example, Nmap under the module tabs. And of course, it will have the dependencies, and you can click on Not Install. So we'll install the dependencies first. And once you can select again internal or SD card, and we always highly recommend SD card so there's enough space to actually do the installation. So dependencies depend on the modules they're installing into Wi-Fi Pineapple. Some of them could take quite some time, especially downloading megabytes of dependencies, and some of them are pretty straightforward depending on how those modules are being developed. So in this case, of course, we are seeing that it's going to take some time for the dependencies to complete the installation into your Wi-Fi Pineapple. So over here, we have the Wi-Fi Pineapple dependency installed, and we can actually see that we have the Nmap, and we can refresh a scan, and we see that the Nmap is not running. Of course, in the past, we actually did a couple of scans. So once you have all this information being output, you can actually click back onto it, and you can look at the other modules. So going back into Nmap, we can see the options that we have, and we can select the target for scanning. So there is it, how quickly we could actually use the modules within Wi-Fi Pineapple, and you can install them and extend the capabilities of your Wi-Fi Pineapple module. And this extensibility allow you to perform more key testing, especially in terms of wireless audit domain. So I hope you've learned something valuable in today's tutorial, and let me know what are some of the modules you've tried and whether there was success out of it. And feel free to leave a comment below so that I can know what you've been testing out on, and I could potentially do a subsequent video on all this tutorial so that you can better understand how you could use Wi-Fi Pineapple. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can be kept abreast of the latest cybersecurity tutorial. Thank you so much once again for watching.